We saw a bunch of ducks there yesterday, and I bet they're gonna be back if I'm really quiet. The beautiful female mallard duck right there.
All right, I gotta go ahead and clean this away from the campsite. Well, these will go really well with dinner tonight.
It's time for some dinner. How about some cranberry couscous and duck? Got dried cranberries and couscous. Whoa, there's an earthquake going on right now. The ground is shaking. Yeah, that's Alaska for you. Oh, these duck breasts smell so good. Fresh duck is so good. That is so good. Need to go do the dishes now.